Students from various schools and colleges have staged significant protests demanding immediate action from the Manipur governor within 24 hours. General Secretary of Dhanamandjuri University Students Union, DJ Takhil Mayum, stated that students who have been facing immense hardships gathered outside the Chief Minister's and Governor's residences to protest against the ongoing conflict, including alleged drone bombings and missile attacks by Kuki militants targeting Meitei civilians. A student delegation met with Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya and Chief Minister, presenting their demands. These include handing over the unified command to the Chief Minister, removing the Assam Rifles from the state, and taking swift action to expel Kuki militants allegedly involved in drone bombings. The governor assured the students that efforts would be made to meet their demands. However, Takhil Mayum warned that if the demands are not fulfilled by 1 p.m. the next day, students will intensify their protest, including in the front of the governor's residence. Various forms of agitation will be launched if their demands are not addressed.
Governor list of demands governor side responsibility ultimatum demands number one unified command authority honorable Manipuri college amadi schools in pulak daraga sarkari mai da khoi khungo tang se matamda government gi mai kai digi full support agu dam amadi civil force police force na khoi mai ta action la khopa amta yaro habgi ultimatum do thamjara me do pung kun mari ja khoi ngai ni khoi lokji pulli sa da ding ga kai da bu yab ge ha do khoi hogi khana ga makha ta tang gen ge ngai je de.
A delegation of 5 student representatives met with Chief Minister Nungthombam Birain to discuss their concerns. Ms. Tamsanathoy Chanu, a first semester sociology student from Imphal College, highlighted their key demands during the meeting. These included ensuring no disruption in education, resolving the ongoing conflict swiftly, and the Chief Minister personally leading the unified command to ensure the withdrawal of central forces from Manipur. The Chief Minister assured the students that he would take steps to address their demands.
Khoi CM unajarure khoi Mahiroi Singh apamba kayamaju phongdo ame maroina khoi na harami se Mahiroi Singh bu yamna freely oina larik tam handiba Manipur da tawriba irang je yamna athuba matamda peace halalakpa duduga khogi Manipur gi unified command je CM shamak na paihanba duga central force na tawriba aran ba thabo myam leibado ado tawba sing do the central force sing je masam sai maram da hananba duga state lengana kolam dam se ngakhanba asi mayam hairam me do TM lagi jo thajaba bire ado yamna athuba matamda action lokhatani jo haibire ado karigumba CM masamak na haidi kaigumba khuna taliba demand je yamna athuba matamda pi daba taragari khoi satra singgi oiba khongjang khoi lepa laitana changsini